LA is a wonderful opportunity to grow.
It's a place where you bring whatever you have, whatever you've experienced, and share it to the other global leaders in children's ministry.
LE is a very unique and international experience.
It is global, that's why I love it too.
It's such a diverse community and they're all living together and learning about kids. They're all passionate about kids and they're wanting to be better leaders in their ministry. I just love it.
So you're thinking about running your own leadership experience, or LE. Where do you begin? Good question. First, you have to understand that LE is a year-long process for participants centered around a 4 to 5 week intensive residential teaching and learning time. The intensive's learning is designed along 4 tracks. The first is biblical and theological foundations, then understanding the context of children, faith formation of children, and leadership. Woven into those 4 tracks are sessions on personal spiritual formation, explored in the context of a caring and supportive community. Participants have assignments to complete before they arrive at the intensive, and in the 6 months following the intensive, they are involved in designing and implementing a ministry project in their own context. In addition, they're involved in doing online forums with other participants so they can continue to integrate their learning. This may seem like a lot to remember, but the LE team has created some excellent resources to help you in your planning. Things like timelines, sample schedules, and suggested best practices. You can find all of these resources on this website. You'll also find an incredible curriculum for the core sessions of all 4 tracks of the intensive. It includes facilitator notes, PowerPoint presentations, handouts, and extra resources to assist whoever's going to be teaching during the intensive. We hope and pray that the materials in this resource kit will help you move forward confidently as you prepare and launch LE in your context.
The wonderful heartbeat of the leadership experience, that each person has the opportunity to discover again who they are in Jesus and to have around them a community that will encourage them as they do that. And then this community will walk with them as they leave the residential and as they work together online and then beyond the year of the leadership experience. Only God can build that kind of community. And at the leadership experience, He does.